Right back at you on cards here, busting a box of 2012 Bowman Jumbo for Arod305. That's 4 packs in that box. We need to sell 3 more. Keith Couch Refractor. Ice Ortega. Nathan Freeman, blue refractor. And ice Elvis Andrews. What did you just say? How about a blue one? Jackie Bradley Jr. Blue refractor auto. Looks awesome. Number 9 of 150. Nice call on the JBJ. What does that go for? And a Delmonico base auto. Good enough, right? Brandon Jacobs, base auto. Jacob Anderson, refractor. And the last pack. Base. There's a box of 2012 Bowman Jumbo.